depression of an object from a 75-meter high tower is 30 degrees. Then the distance of the object from the tower is, we need to find this. Okay. So first, let us say this is a, yeah, this is a triangle ABC. Let us say this is a AB is the height of the tower. So what is the tower height given here? That is 75-meter high tower. And what is the angle of depression? Angle of depression means you have to take from here. This is 30 degrees. How much they give an angle of depression? This is 30 degrees. Here we have an object at C. Okay, at C we have the object. If it is 30 degrees and this side also 30 degrees. How it is 30? These two are the parallel lines and these two are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. We need to find the, so object is it here. So this is the object. Okay, from the object, what is the distance? Then the distance of the object from the tower you have to find out. This is the tower height. This is the tower. Okay, you have to find out the distance between A and C. Okay. Now you see, this is a quarter. Let us say this is the distance x. Okay. Let us say the distance is x. Then this is the quarter. You take the 30 degrees and this is, let us say this is adjacent side to the 30 degrees and this is the opposite side to the 30 degrees. So which trigonometric ratio gives the relationship between the adjacent and opposite? Cot theta or tan theta. Anyway you can take, no problem. So I am taking here tan 30. So tan 30 equal to opposite side to angle 30 by adjacent side to angle 30. Tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3. So what is the opposite side we have here? 75 meter. Adjacent side is x. You do the cross multiplication. 75 in, this is cross multiplication you do here. 75. What is that? Wait. Then x equal to 75 into root 3. 75 root 3. So answer is 75 root 3 meter. Okay. So what is the, so your answer, which one is matching? Answer C is matching. A tree casts a shadow 15-meter long on the level of ground. When the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degrees, the height of the tree is. So draw the right angle triangle. Let us say this is the tree height. This is the height of the tree. Let us say this is H. Let us say AB is the height of the tree and AC is the shadow of the tree. Let us say this is shadow. What is the length of the shadow given here? 15 meter. Okay, length of the shadow given here 15 meter. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Sun is it here, right? So what is the angle of elevation to the sun? That is 45 degrees. So we need to find the height of the tree. Okay, and this is a opposite side to the 45 degrees, right? And this is adjacent side to the 45 degrees. So which will give the relation between opposite and adjacent? Tan or cot. Any value you can take now. So you take tan 45. So tan 45 equal to, so this we can write as, so opposite by adjacent. Adjacent value is 15, right? Tan 45 value is 1. H by 15. So H equal to, so 15 into 1 is 15. H equal to 15 meter. Okay, so this is your answer. So option D is matching. If the height and length of a shadow of a man are equal, then the angle of elevation of the sun is. Let us say, take the right angle triangle. Okay, take the right angle triangle like this. If the height and length of the man is equal, listen, height and shadow of the man is equal. Let us say this is the height of the man. AB is the height of the man. Okay, so this is, let us say, H. AC is the shadow of the man, X. Okay, and we need to find the angle of elevation theta, right? They given that height of the man is equal to shadow of the man, H equal to X. So which will give the relationship between the H and X? that is tan theta. So tan theta equal to h by x. Okay, so this h and x are equal, so you replace with h by h, so h get cancelled, then tan theta equal to 1. At which value the tan is 1? 45. Tan 45 value is 1. So tan theta, so this we can write as tan 45. Okay, then angle of elevation of the sun is how much? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Your answer A is matching. Okay, move on to the next question. Okay, the ratio of the length of a rod and its shadow is 1 is to root 3. So let us say this is the length and x is the shadow of the rod. Okay, they given that the ratio between the length and its shadow is 1 is to root 3. Okay, we need to find the angle of elevation of the sun. Okay, which gives a relationship between the length and x opposite by adjacent, that is tan theta. So tan theta equal to opposite is length, adjacent is its shadow x. This is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, at what value of tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3? 30. Yes, tan 30. So then angle of elevation of sun is how much here? 30 degrees. Okay, so your answer C is matching. 6-meter high tree cast a 4-meter long shadow. At the same time, a flagpole cast a shadow 50-meter long. How long is the flagpole? So here we have two incidents, right? So one is tree is the 6-meter tree shadows the 4-meter long shadow. So a 6-meter high tree cast a 4-meter long shadow. So let us say this is the tree height is 6 meter. Okay, it shadow the 4-meter shadow. So this is, you say this is tan theta. At the same time, in the same time, one pole, a flag pole casts a shadow 50-meter long. Okay, how much it is? 50-meter long. Let us say this is a flag pole. Okay, flag pole T. We know that we don't know the height of the flag pole. Let us say that is H, and the cast its flagpole cast a shadow is how much length? That is 50 meter. 50 meter long. So same time means the angle of elevation for the both the situation is same. Okay, first you find the tan theta here. So the same tan theta you apply here. Say in second situation. In the first situation, when you consider the tree, what is the tan theta? So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Your opposite is 6, right? Adjacent is 4. 6 by 4 is how much? So that is 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. Tan theta equal to 3 by 2. In second situation, the same tan theta we have to apply there also. So tan theta equal to h by 50. What is the value of tan theta we got now? That is 3 by 2. That is h by 50. Listen, don't write. So then you by 50 you take it here. So this will become 3 into 50 by 2. Okay, so 2 how many times? 25 times. So 25 into 3 is how much? 75. Okay, so then what is the height of the flagpole? 75 meter. That is 75 meter. Okay, so answer here, which one is matching? Answer A is matching. A tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degrees and a distance of 10 meter from its root. The whole height of the tree is. Okay, let us say this whole height of the tree. We have to find out. A tree is broken by the wind. Okay, so the top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degrees. What is the angle of 30 degrees is? This is a broken part. Dotted lines are the broken part. Okay, 30 degrees. And the roots, the broken part is how much distance from its roots? That is 10 meter long. So let us say this is the root part. So this is here we have the roots, and this is a broken part fallen here. So this is a broken part, the top of the broken part fallen here, right? So we need to find the total height of the tree. We need to find. Listen. We need to find total height of the tree. Let us say this is h, right? The broken part value is x. Okay, the total height of the tree the total height of the tree h dash equal to, we can write as h plus x. Okay, how we can write this? H plus x. Is it clear, everyone? The total height of the tree, how we can write? That is, let us say this is h dash, which is equal to, the broken part is x, the remaining part is h. The total height is the remaining part plus broken part. Okay, when this broken part, when it is touched to the ground, so here you have to consider this is the x. Okay, is it clear, everyone? The broken part fallen on the ground means the x of the length fallen on the ground. Okay, so from this, first you find the which one gives the relationship between the adjacent to the opposite? Adjacent, opposite. Yes. Cot or tan. Anyway you can take. Okay, no? So I am taking here tan. So tan 30 equal to, opposite is h. Adjacent value is 10. So tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3 equal to h by 10. Then h equal to, so by 10 when you take it this side, it will become 10 by root 3. Okay, this is h equal to 10 by root 3. And we need to find the broken part length, that is x. Okay, how do you get this broken part length? Yes, how do you get this broken part length? So just you apply the which gives the relationship between the adjacent to hypotenuse. Which ratio gives a relationship between the adjacent to hypotenuse? Adjacent hypotenuse, cos theta. Okay, so then you apply your cos theta. So cos 30, you apply cos 30. So cos 30 equal to, adjacent is 10 and the broken part the tree length is how much? That is x. Cos 30 value is how much? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 equal to 10 by x. Okay, so you do the cross multiplication. A cross multiplication, that is root 3x equal to 20, then x equal to 20 by root 3. Okay, and we need to find the total height of the tree. Okay, so the actual length of the tree is h plus x. Before broken, the remaining part of the tree height is 10 by root 3. The broken part of the tree length is 20 by root 3. Okay, so now you see root 3 denominator is same. So now we can add this 10 plus 20. So which is equal to 30 by root 3. So to remove this root 3, just you multiply numerator denominator with root 3 with root 3. 30 root 3 by 30 root 3 by 3. So 3 how many times? 10 times. Okay, the total height of the tree before broken, how much it is? 10 root 3 meter. Okay, which answer is matching here? Option A. Option A is matching.